don't get me wrong ne, yazi ngisihlalele la no Khembele ngibhizi ngimfundisa ama TikTok angithi abaya kubonile TikTok yethu ngale ngasemelika uyamazi teach me ngisihlalele naye hayibo masisathi kep segate ukungena abantu bathi bathumelwe babuye stadium ngithi hayibo ngoba sifathele abantu siza remain humble uyasithola sayinjoy ne 3 points yethu sezene stadium but hayibo we were looking for Mbokazi sithi hayi manje uMbokazi usalele nje ebuthaka beshama rocket izolo usalele ningamdisturb but you know sorry Katlego the pole is still shaking ngithi hayibo lisashayika kanjani le pala uKhembile athi you didn't see that rocket ngithi uMbokazi bajetsi bari bamthengise eni bajetsi labafana bayokhipha imali right ayike yo bajetsi uMbokazi yo but le pala lisashayika ngithi hayi man no Mbokazi is sleeping right now you see come back later I'll tell him that you guys came so that they can come and stop the post but yo yes cause sizamene abantu abaqinile la eMorocco qina sekushayika bona ngithi hayibo uMbokazi bekashama rocket ubusizole ngithi amanazini lentwana le ngiyayidiki iyadlala neEgypt yabo ithina lale bakavuka kuzomtshela ngithi Khembele yezani lentwana le ashi uMbokazi